Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic is how we can dynamically generate, like as previously video we see how we can dynamically generate assets. We no need to set anything like a static file and say, add the path of that asset. Same as it, how we can dynamically network request. We just set there, this is header, this is our header, and this is our body, and this is get type request, post, delete, patch, which kind of request that we are gonna to taking, and we just need to pass our network client. That's it. So it will automatically generate. It will automatically generate request for us. We don't need to worry about the response. How we can writing the, if I get 200, 300, etc. Each and everything will be handled by automatically. So how we can do it? With the help of Retrofit. This is a very powerful library that we are going to using this, and we just mention the class and method which are we going to get, and it will automatically generate for us network request and give us response. So let's see how we can start. So first of all, I have to add these libraries. As you see, I'm just simple copy. Our dummy project I already created. We can just simply paste it. So it will give me error. I just need to remove it extra space. And here we just need to, for them dependency, we just need to copy this one over the. Okay, sorry, I just make a little bit mistake. We just need to paste it over here. Okay, and just cut these here too. Yeah. Okay, we just going to simple creating. We are just calling get, and meanwhile for the getting the packages, I'm just create a new folder that is known as network. The name of that network, any as per your structure you wanna to write, that's depend on you. First of all, I write a file that's the name of request, or you can write the name data source. I'm just writing the name data source. In network data source. That's it. I just here write the class network data source. So here I declare a class. It will suggesting me, but I don't want to use this one. Okay, so just a second. Once it's complete, is analyzing. Yeah, it's analyzing is completed. So now we can continue. If we go to the documentation, this is already provide us base URLs that we are trying to give the REST API, and we pass set any base URL that we have. So as usual, as per the instruction, I'm just using a REST API. As you see the base URL, so we are just copying this one because I don't have any yet API for that for example type. So if you wanna to learn how we can generate our own API using a Flutter, using a Dart language, or another language that created by Google is Golang, so I can also teach you. So for simple, this is a factory, and this is we can say like network data source, and what is required DIO, that's a DIO. We just need to pass this one, and base URL if we are to need to required, but I don't think so. We required our base URL. So here and underscore, and here is network request. For that dynamically, because we are using dynamically generating, so network request that g.dart. Okay, so for that we just simply tweak add as I just called here pub dot in depth, and we just need required here dio. When I hit on dio and or we can install it, we are using this command. That is good. Easy, it will automatically add with, as you see, this is automatically added. Done. Once time we just simply hit OK. Okay, this one has upgraded version 4.0.1, but we ignore it right now. Okay, we call here. Now we are going to generate automatically. So how we can generate? On the previous video we can see that, yeah, dart run, build runner, watch. We just hit watch because any kind of changes it will automatically generate for us. So it will generating. Once it's done, I show you. Here is a G file generated. Okay, meanwhile I just create another class, data source, and we can create a class network request. Okay, and here is class network request. Save. As you see, the error is gone, G file is created but is not showing yet. Okay, so it will suggest it me. We can we need some data, that is future, and the return type we are setting now dynamic. You can change it as per your response, and we are just copy this function. Where is this? Okay, so we just need required endpoint once. We just replace this endpoint. Okay, sorry. Oh, that's on future dynamic. Get task. The name of the function is get task. Okay, so where is the mistake that we forgot to add here? One is the, what's wrong with that? Okay, so I just hit Control S. Okay, I make a little mistake, which give me error because I forgot to add here abstract. Because this is class dynamically generated, so we required here abstract. As you see, when try, it's not displaying data source of G. If I opening Explorer, G file is generated. Why it's not visible here? Yeah, as you see, G file is generated. Once time it will give you error, parse error, logger it's required. Okay, so this is the generated file, so it's required a logger. First of all, I don't know why it's not getting the logger. Well, we just simply hit this, remove this logger, and see what is going to happen here. After removing, okay, it will get automatically retrofit this logger here. And you see G file, that is base URL, and get this task endpoint, and it will generate it automatically. You don't suffer about anything. And here is the network request. First of all, we need object final data source, and we call here the network data source. Okay, what's the name of written in here? The network. I just simply copy. Okay. So it will say to import and need to pass here. Sorry, dio object. You can set any here. You can set here like interceptor or anything that you want. You can pass here. That's it. Fine. Oh, sorry. Here we create a void type function right now. But if you want to change your return type, or it depends on your statement how you can data. So we can use it as per suggestion this get data source, and we are going to play it here. So I'm just using the default one. I'm just nothing to display here yet. We are just calling here, and we hit request on postman one. Okay, so bottom of that is calling the network request, but we are just calling here. I'm just doing some rough work. I just basically the basic reason of this video for how we can dynamically generate. We just need to mention these types of requests, so it will automatically generate for us. So this one is generated. So as you see, this is here. Now I need to run emulators. So quickly I just run emulator and run this is on our local device. Once done, so you will see the response, and there are some other tricks I will tell you how you can generate different kinds of requests. So our emulator will start running. It will not visible here yet. Okay, so it's running. Okay, so we just simply run our app. Once it's done, we hit that request, and you will be able to see that request response that we are getting from the network. The person who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and complete my white time. I just too much required for white time completion, and share this channel with your friends and family who wanna to learn development. And if you want to some course in Hindi or Urdu language, Flutter, or if you wanna to upgrade yourself from GetX to blog, and if you wanna to learn what is blog and how it's useful for us, so we are also create another playlist for that one if you wanna to learn about that. As you see, this is our application we installed successfully, and it is okay. As you see, this is we are getting from network request. For your better understanding, I just go to the specific function instead of brains network this one. Okay, that's fine, that's good. I just simply hit restart. As you see, we are getting this response. What we do, okay, this response is not completed. Okay, quickly for now we just need a simply online say request, but this is I think so we just don't worry about that one. The response there is instead of going there, we just simply hit here, paste this one, and the endpoint I'm getting here. That's fine. Just paste it because this is the network request. So I'm just hit here. Okay, so there is something wrong. Yes. Okay, now we hit here. As you see, print. So this is the response we are getting from network. So what we do, if we need to make some request, we just hit here simple copy, just simple copy it, and here is another site that is .j. You can search it, j.node. .j site, this, yeah, .j.web. Basically this is the site that created a JSON file or anything that we are going to try to request for that one. As you here is our JSON serializable, freezed. These are different methods here that any kind of that you wanna to request. Just paste it here. I just wanna use this freeze, so we can create with freezed. If you want to just JSON serializable, we can just add copy, hit copy and make it as per your request that you want to freeze. You can use this one freezed. If you want more, if you want to create some other JSON type, convert JSON Swift like this one, generate now. You wanna using this one, so you can use this one, no issue. We are paste here, select the language, that is, where is go, Kotlin, here is start. Okay, so it will say there are curly brackets switching. Where is this? Okay, we just hit here, select all, Control C. We just say this, select all, Control V. Yeah, so it is created the name of tab. Response. Okay, we just copy that file and we can create here a directory model. We just simply create here task model. That depend on you how you want to do this one. Just simply I pasted it here. We just need to prompt JSON decode automatically created here, but we don't need to this take JSON prompt. We are using this one network request and without that here is print, and we are using this one the task model. Task, which is the what is the name of this class? Task response. Okay, task response from the JSON response. Okay, so we can create a final REF, and we print RES. Okay, so basically if we see the model request, yeah, there. Okay, so it will okay, so we are usually creating this list. It will automatically created for list, but we are not using this way, so here is some other way. Fine, final task list task response, and it will automatically do AI. It will automatically do for me. And basically it will too much favor for me, give too much favor me to complete these things, and we can just simply print task, nothing do more. As you see, we can hit here. Yeah, we are getting that fine. Okay, make it return type. Okay, one thing I need to tell you about more. Now we are created like this. But if you want to don't do like this, we can change this one too. Here is future dynamic to this. Just that's it. We are doing nothing anymore here. This we are just going to remove and print here once time response. Okay, there is G file issue that we are control S. Okay, so our runner basically stopped. So if we rerun it, as you see, it will automatically fix G file issue, rewriting, and it will return us for the list that we are getting. That's it. Nothing more. We just need to hit rewrite, and what we able to see in this here request, where it is, sorry, remove and hit here. As you see, we are getting this one because we are getting the list. Okay, so where is our request? Okay, so it's saying because this in future, so we make it return type. Response. That's it. And this is a response from here, and we are going to final data. It's here. Before just wait, we give us a response, and instead of writing, here is our column. Okay, so here is our text amount instead of count and text. I'll define. Response task. This is our list, and we can call here that data is equal. Oh, sorry. Task is equal to data. That's fine. We are not going to do this. I know set state is very bad, but required right now. We are just simply here. List or generate that we are using length 5, and here is our generator. In that, instead of using this one, I just import it here and return here text. That is, oh sorry, we set here task list or length task place index dot. Just we are here, nothing more we are doing. Here restart. Unfortunately, it will display nothing. That's very bad. But when we click here and we see that the data we are get, and it will available to here. But unfortunately, I don't have any scroller type, so we can debug. However, we are using this one, so for the we are saving your time, quickly I will show you how we can write different requests. Let's suppose I have to post some endpoints, future, take a response, create, and here we display the type of body task. Here we like this mention here, that is a body, and the which type of that one. That's it, nothing more. Okay, so the most important, if we need to call us send some data, so we are just using here. For now, I just quickly post here, and we are changed to profile, and we are here mention at multipart. That's it. That is our body. So on this body, we are changing to this like this one. We are mention part. That's our part file, part name. That's the key name that you want to write here. That is also here at part. That's the file here. File. Nothing more. It will automatically do for this. When I click here, Control F, as you see, error will be gone. As you see, name avatar. Okay, so where is our part file? Part file, let's just simply task without set here. Part file, part time. Okay, that's fine, not bad. Okay, you can say here is content type automatically it will return multipart, that part time, that we are base URL, that map, that fetch data, that is trying to fetch response, catch error. It will automatically respond us for that one, and it will automatically create the base stream. As you see here, combine base stream empty. It will automatically do for us. We not worried about that. That is query parameter. If you want, that's the body that we don't have worried about that one. So we are just simply like that one. We can hit request. By creating multi-part requests. Some more information, you can draw me a text, and this is the basically redraw it that will after that make us as a developer like too much easier for instead of writing a network request of every function or of every API. So this is very fine. Use it and remember me. Thanks for watching.